you're on the Mascot Hall of Fame's database, and you're in the awards program for greatest community impact of net zero. Ford. Pop up. Wait. Ford. Pop up. Good boy. Sorry if my voice is a little off-putting. Or sounds a little off. I don't know if off-putting is the correct wording, but you get the point. Zeke hates food just like any dog. Well, not necessarily. It's just like with any of us wearing new glasses or new shoes as well. We act weird a little bit around them, you know? He keeps trying to take these off, and I'm like, dude, no, you're not getting them off. Zeke, hop up. Hop up. Good boy. Anyways, I wanted to give you all a preview. That's just about it.